All right, so we installed the water thing, but now we're gonna put up some shelves, and I think here might be a good part. Our garage is has that cutout over there, but there's a fridge going in there, and we don't have a car parked. I might put it up here kind of high so I can get stuff way up off the ground. So I have to mount this horizontally. Then you can mount those bars, 3 bars going down, and then the shelves just hang off the 3 bars there. So I'll get going to it. Just cleaning out behind there, moving these boxes out of the way, cleaning it out, all the dirt accumulates in the corner, and I'm all set. Got a new impact driver, and this thing works amazing at getting screws into studs. Awesome. Clean it up. All right, so now I'm gonna put up the see if I can figure out how to put up the actual things. I might have to rearrange this. Yeah, it's not exactly lined up, so I'm gonna line this up now. The things on the bottom feet need to be stuck on different parts of this actual thingy here. Alright, I got one of them up. Really hard to get them on. It took me a while to figure out how to get these things on. Finally did though. Alright, now, let's see. Right, all done. Over here, look at this. Clean this up. Put some CDs up there, all my golf stuff way up high. I'm not gonna use that probably till next year in the spring or something. Nice and clean. All right, success.